What's good, pretty gang? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we looking good, we looking fly. I'm bringing y'all a different type of video today, a highly requested one on how I apply my lashes. I'm giving y'all all the tips, tea, tricks, whatever. But first, I'm gonna put y'all into something else real quick. If y'all were wondering where I got these shades from, they're from Perfect Illusions, my new accessory plug, y'all. They have the cheapest shades, the cheapest accessories, the cheapest bags, everything. Oh my gosh, let me show y'all this other pair I got. I'm finna put y'all on game for real. These gotta be my favorite ones for my look today. These got to be my favorite ones. But yeah, I had to put y'all on real quick. I got questions on where I got them from, even though I tagged them in the picture on Instagram. But these are both from Perfect Illusions and they are so affordable. Like, I cannot stress how affordable these are. I'm gonna put all their stuff down below so you guys can copy some. But for summer, girl, this is the place to shop. Like, they have everything. I felt like it was relevant because we're doing eyes today. Stay tuned if you're interested in how I apply my lashes, and if you're interested in where I got these lashes. Yeah, stay tuned and join the pretty gang because we don't got time for people watching who ain't a part of the gang. Like, this exclusive content, you need to subscribe, period, and enjoy my video. Okay, so first of all, ignore my hair. That's not what this video is about. And I know it was probably done in the intro, but that's just because I'm filming a hair video right after this. So to start off, of course, my lashes. You guys always ask in the comment section. They're always from the same place. Midas Beauty. This one is empty because I already have the lashes, but yeah. They're always from here. shopmidasbeauty.com. I always plug it in the comments, and it's always at the bottom of my description box if y'all scroll down. If you're interested in my lashes ever, any video ever, literally they're always from there. I have so many different styles, so definitely check out my website. But without further ado, we're gonna get started on the lash application. Okay, so to start off, I'm gonna show y'all what y'all need to apply lashes in the first place. Some of it may be obvious and other things may not be so obvious. So firstly, and the most obvious thing, is the lashes themselves. Today I'm using the style Biggie from shopmidasbeauty.com. Check the link down below, it'll be down there, all of that good stuff. Secondly, you're gonna need mascara. Any old mascara will do. This one's from the beauty supply store. And then I'm using a lash applicator. I have these on my website, shopmidasbeauty.com, and they're gold and they just have my logo. So if you're interested, you can just find them on my website. But yeah, this is what we're gonna use to apply lashes. And lastly, you need an adhesive. I do use hair glue, I'm not gonna lie. I know it's like ratchet. I don't even want to show y'all the bottle. Like, I'm kind of embarrassed, not gonna lie. Anyways, definitely the same techniques will be applicable to duo lash glue. And if you guys really want me to, I will show you how to use it because I know some people say it's harder. Yeah, okay, so that's everything you're gonna need. So the first thing I like to do before I apply mascara is prepare my eyelashes so that my glue can be drying. If you're using duo or like an actual lash glue like you're supposed to, I would apply the mascara first and then prep the eyelashes because lash glue dries faster in my opinion. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is get the glue on the back of my hand like so. You obviously won't need this much if it's duo. You don't even need to put it on the back of your hand if it's duo or regular lash glue. So with the regular lash glues, they come with brushes. So to mimic that, I just get like the back of a makeup brush and I'm dipping it in here and I'm just going to apply a generous amount to my strip of my eyelash. And I'm gonna show y'all in a second. You wanna make sure you get the corners very well because it's easy to get glue in the middle, but you really need to make sure you have glue on the outer corners of the lashes or they ain't gonna stick and they're gonna be falling off. Make sure you get glue on the outside, that's all I'm gonna say. Okay, so here's how my lash is looking. You can see it has a like generous coating and I made sure to get the outside as well. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the before, but this is the after, and this is how my lashes come before. Just like a regular band. This one has been used, so it might be a little dirty, but now I'm gonna do the same for the other strip and I'll be right back. For beginners, I definitely recommend doing one lash at a time, but I do too because I've been doing this so long. Okay, now that my lashes are sitting there, the glue is already immediately drying. Like I said, if you wear regular lash glue, do this step first. We're about to apply mascara, do this first. But if you're using hair glue, because that's what you have access to, like me, then do your hair glue, let it sit there, it's drying. You don't want it to dry, but it's drying right now, so you have to work kind of fast. So the next step is to apply your mascara. I put the mascara on the top of my lash because I like to use mascara as an additional adhesive. That's a little hack. I also put it on the bottom to make sure that they're not looking like ashy under my strip lashes. So yeah, the top and bottom of my lashes is coated and so they're looking kind of sloppy, but you know. Sorry if it's kind of messy. I feel like I'm trying to move way too fast just because I'm on camera, but yes, so this is how my eyes are looking now. Now we get to move on to the fun part, which is the lashes. To me, hair glue doesn't really get tacky, so I just put my lashes on as soon as I'm done doing my mascara. So I'm just taking my Midas Beauty applicator and I'm holding the lash like this, and we're ready to apply. The closer you get to the base with the applicator, the better. So I'm gonna scoot this closer. One eye at a time, obviously. I'm starting with my right eye. The trick is to go from either the inner or outer corner and just put it on all the way to the other corner. Don't start in the middle. Don't apply your lash from the middle. Do it corner to corner. Because the middle, no matter what, is going to get applied. That's just what it does. And boom. This is not how I leave them, but this is it on my eyelid. And then I'm going to place the other one on using the same method from inner to outer corner. I mean, outer to inner corner is how I do it. But you want to roll it on rather than placing it on all at once. Like, you're going to roll it on. You're not just going to place it on. So now that it's on, I use my fingers to readjust. They don't really need readjusting. My applicators do a really good job of getting super close, but the next step is to squeeze it. If you have too much glue, this will get in your eye. If you're using regular lash glue, you shouldn't have any problems with that. It should just be really sticky, so that won't matter. But with hair glue, it's messy because it doesn't really get tacky. Also, if you're using hair glue and you don't let it like dry a little bit and then you squeeze it, it's gonna get in your eye. Like, I just want to make sure everybody understands. It's probably better to just use regular eye glue, but you know. And then my favorite part is to just like at the end I readjust and like push up areas to make sure my lashes are even. If you guys watched my last lash video, you will see that I used to use my fingers, but I love these applicators so much because it's like cleaner and it looks way better when I'm done. Make sure to squeeze your inner corner. I told y'all that is like the most neglected area. I literally forgot to do it. So yes, that is it for the hard part. Now we're gonna go back in with our mascara, and I consider doing my bottom lashes an important part of applying my lashes because I'm not gonna walk around like this, like with no bottom lashes. I hate how this looks. So I'm just gonna go in and do my bottom lashes. I'm very particular with them. I like to use the point tip of like the mascara brush, no matter what mascara I'm using. The tip of it, and just make them as thick as possible without looking too like clunky. I just want them to look thick and like I have a lot of bottom lashes, if that makes sense. So this is how I like my bottom lashes to look. I'm gonna just do the other eye real quick. Okay, so now my lashes are officially done. That's literally the end of this tutorial. Like, this is how I like to wear my lashes on a day-to-day basis, and they're on and they're secure, and it was really easy for me at least. But I know lashes take so much practice, so you just gonna have to perfect this on your own time. But yeah, that is the end of this tutorial. I hope y'all enjoyed my lash application video. As I said in the beginning, I'm gonna have everything linked down below, including where I got anything you saw in this video. But I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. If you didn't join the Pretty Gang at the beginning of the video, what are you doing? Join it now. Press the subscribe button, press the notification bell, and comment Pretty Gang down below if you're part of it. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.